Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.